Good evening to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi. Ungowekethelo. I was laughing at myself yesterday, and today, this ikhehle ngilisizayo, umntana makhehle ngimsizayo, who's been my client for over, I think, 2 years now. So bengiyihleka because ngihleka ukuthi most of the time or all of the time ama-guides akhe the way astricting ngakhona kunezinto ekufanele ngimsebenzisele zona. I can't ngikhethe kunye or ngisebenzise kunye. They are very specific. So whenever ngizolungisa into zakhe they make sure ukuthi they show me ukuthi na into so, and into zakhe so sengize ngajwayela ukuthi into zakhe zisebenzisa into eso neso neso, akufuneki enye into. So bengizihleka nje ngithi yazi ngiyathanda mangabe izinto sizilungisile nabantu esihamba nabo, abantu abasimbethe, especially with self initiates, because they don't abapaparazzi, like they know what works for you. Yabona abapaparazzi. So there was a video that I made I think 2 years ago, ngikhuluma ukuthi if you are a self initiate kunezinto oziboniswayo ekufanele sisetshenziswe uwe. Omunye umuntu makasebenzisa mhlambe asithi umkhanya kude, yabona, it does not mean nawe zizokusebenzela. Umuntu nomuntu abantu bakubo bayibekile into azoyisebenzisa imsebenzele yona. Not everybody usebenzisa holy ash ibe nama results afana nalo munye umuntu. Omunye umuntu angayibabaza ukuthi since ngasebenzisa holy ash iyangisebenzela. Yabona, omunye athi mangisebenzisa itswayi solo yangisebenzela, mangisebenzisa umkhaya kude yangisebenzela, mangisebenzisa ini yangisebenzela. Apply to all of us. Abakini bayazi ezosebenza kuwe and ikusebenzele, and the reasons behind ukuthi why wena fanele kusetshenziswa into esokuwe. So a lot of people are stuck in terms of mabayenza izinto cleansing and stuff, athi umuntu ngiyenzile mos but akenzanga lutho, akushintshanga lutho. It's because they are specific ukuthi bafuna usebenzise ini. So kunabantu guys with dreams, with what you meet nangithi sishilo sathi this journey is not only about dreaming. Sometimes they would show you things ukuthi okay, uhlangane nento, lento uyayiphupha, uyayinuka, uhlangana nayo, kanti that is something that has to work for you. That is your iswasho, if you want to call it that. That's your remedy. So this khehla into zakhe, no matter how far or no matter how deep esizenzayo, there's always ubulongo obufunekayo. Abahleki abantu bakubo. I must make sure ukuthi whatever that I do for him ubulongo ngiyabufaka. And I like it for them because a lot of people don't know the benefits zobulongwe in terms of purification, and what exactly it is used for, and who it is used for. Who it is used for and what is it used for. So ngiyathanda sometimes when they are very specific ukuthi sebenzisa into eso neso, ungazenzeli umathanda, because abantu izinto aziprogress because akusetshenziswa into ekufanele isetshenziswe, especially with self initiates guys. Uneinto zakho okufanele uzisebenzise, ekufanele siyithole ukuthi okay, mina this is what works for me. You understand? This doesn't work for me. Uthola ukuthi enye into umuntu usebenzisa into ethize imsebenzele ngempela and kuwe nothing. So yeah, so kunabantu guys amathonga or amakhehla abaphethe adinga ubulongwe. Amakhehla abaphethe adinga ubulongwe, and there's a reason for that. Cow dung, if you don't know, ubulongwe, cow dung. So yeah, kunabantu ekudingeka ziningi into zenu. Ziningi into zenu, but yeah, there's I just wanted to explain ukuthi guys, not everything izokusebenzela nawe because isebenzele number 1 and 2. Akusebenzi kanjalo. Akusebenzi kanjalo. So yeah, that was my story for today. Ukuthi yazini abanye abantu banama guides I learned from ngiqala ukumsebenzela. Even when I did the consultation the first time, it was the first thing that came out. The first thing that came out ukuthi kudingeka into enje. So yeah, I was just sharing ukuthi ungathi ngoba abanye abantu iheli eshe basebenzele nawe uzokusebenzela, ungathi abanye abantu ngoba iswasho esiso siyabsebenzela, inhlanhla emhlophe iyakusebenzela nami swasho senhlanhla abakini abekho lapho, abekho generic, abekho lapho ukuthi umuntu nomuntu nento yakhe kufanele asebenze. And if you fall under igroup yalezi zinto ezi-generic, yes ziyasebenza, because ungafuni ukumikisa nenye into, ungafuni ukumikisa nenye into. I remember I did say ngathi umuntu nomuntu uyasiphiwa iswasho sakhe, ungafuni ukumikisa nenye into. If bathe wena usebenzisa lokhu nalokhu, wena usebenzisa lokhu nalokhu, cha. Ngiyabonga.